Hi, welcome to my site. This environmental because the world demonstrates and what do you do if a blonde with a cornered patio? Hold the pin and throw it back. How does the blonde dad drink milk? A cow fell on her. Why did the blonde get excited? Because she finished a jigsaw puzzle in 6 months when the fox said 2 to 4 years. Why did the singer sing a ragga to reach the harmony? Why did the man burn his ear? Yeah? What's that? Because he answered the iron. What do you call a man with a skull bust on his head? Dad. What do you call the man skin that you wear on your feet? Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.